that when the same demonstration takes place in Europe, government and the media refuse to refer to it as xenophobia or act of vigilantism. But when South Africa, South African citizens fight against lawlessness and trying to prevent South Africa from becoming a failed state, then we are called names. Section 32 and 34 of the Immigration Act is instructive that all people who are in the country illegally must depart.
Phithizela South Africa. 2 days back bekune media briefing lapho u-acting minister wamaphoyisa Professor Firoz Kachala esaze sekhona ukuthi ukulungisela nje umhla ka-30 benze sure ukuthi akungonakali infrastructure, azikho izinto ezonakalayo njengoba abantu bazobe bemasha. Bazospenda more than 600 million rand. Namuhla u-acting national commissioner Lieutenant General Puleng Dimpane bekahlangene na private security companies kusadingidwa lona njalo usuku la ngomhla ka-30. Ngize ngiyabona ukuthi la eSouth Africa it's a matter of priority. Ukube ukuvikeleka kwabantu base-South Africa bekuyi-priority njengalesigameko abazama ukusivika sangomhla ka-30 esingasazi siyini, engabizwe leli liphephe ngendlela eyisimanga nangendlela esingakaze sayibona. Ngizocaphunela ke media briefing uJacinta benayo ngoba kunemibuzo ebalekile ayiphendulile lapha ya kule media briefing. Sizwe ngabe uthi bathini. Kodwa ngaphambi basifike lapho ngicela siqale la.
You see this house?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do recycling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next door,
Yeah.
scrapyard.
Yeah.
You know what happened to the people that are sitting there? They are here in that house. They are arrested for drug.
For drugs.
Yes. So you can't tell me about scrapyard.
I have a scrapyard, I have a pawn shop.
That is fine.
I buy cars, I fix, I sell.
Okay, so
Understand? Even
what happened with the kidnapping case?
the kidnapping case,
Yes.
that guy was fighting with me. You never kidnapped me.
When are you kidnapped Nigeria?
No, I didn't kidnap Nigeria.
Foreign side.
No, never. I've never done that.
What do you do?
The only guy I had issue with, I was fighting with that guy. Then
What's his name?
UK,
Why were you fighting with UK?
because he was having my money. He doesn't want to give me
Money for what?
the money he borrowed from me.
How much?
It was 20-something thousand.
UK is a drug dealer. You know that, no?
Yes.
And I'm looking for him.
Yeah, I told that guy that he was there.
And I'm not sleeping tonight before you give me UK. Because, Chief, the reason why I was there because of you in UK. And UK was
But
also
big man, for me, yeah, you can search anywhere you want to search with me. I told you, I used to have 4 businesses actually. I have a shop where they play snooker. Also there by Wenden. We can go there, I'll show you the guy that I handed it over to.
Tell me, when did you arrive here in South Africa?
I arrived here 2016.
What does your visa say?
My visa says visitor's visa
If you are here as a visitor, you're supposed to be here for how many months?
for 3 months.
And what happened?
Then after that, if you're not going back, you go and seek for asylum, which I did.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are a refugee.
Yes.
A refugee that owns 4 businesses. Where have you seen that? It's fine, we'll talk. What type of drugs do you have in the house?
It's only kids.
Chief, how much kit are you going to give me? For how much?
Maybe around 4,000-5,000.
It can't be that.
I'm telling you. Let's go.
How many grams do you have of kit?
It's about 50 grams.
Then how much stock in total do you have?
It's what I'm telling you.
You're wasting my time.
Not wasting your time. That's why I say let's go.
Okay, it's fine. Let's
Kanti kwenzakaleni ngoba lo muntu ushilo wathi kungayiwa endlini yakhe kuseshwe. Kungaseshwa nje kubheke yena unamabhizinisi kuphela. Kwenzakaleni njobe esekhulumela esesho ngomoya ophansi ethi khona ikhethi kuphela la bathi it's only cat. Sekwenzakaleni yena futhi usenama drugs asarana amabhizinisi. Abengidlula nje la Angihlosile njalo ukukhuluma ngalento kodwa engifisa ukukhuluma ngakho ukuthi sizwile inkulumo eziningi ezehlukene bevela kubantu abahlukahlukene besazi bethi i-March and March bakhona ababafandayo. Kukhona-ke abantu mise ngesihloko ukuthi i-March and March ifandwa i-Israel. Impela imali yabo ibuya le kwa-Israel. uJacinta-ke mayiphendula abezindaba noma iy'ntatheli ebezifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani obafandayo, ngabe iqiniso na ukuthi bathola imali kwa-Israel? Yena wayesephendula kanje.
Where are you getting your money from? Israel.
I mean, you know.
Guys, I don't even know anyone from Israel. The only time I ever heard about Israel was in the Bible. And now I'm hearing that I'm funded by Israel. You know, the amount of time people spend on conspiracy theories really worries me. So you guys telling me that black people cannot stand up for anything unless there's money involved?
Sure.
Are we not smart enough? Are we not entitled enough? Do our brains not function unless there's money involved?
Sure.
I find this so very offensive because if this movement had a lot of white faces here, everyone would be like, oh, let's hear what you have to say. Oh my gosh, why do we have the issue of legal immigrants? It's such a fundamental right for people to be protected in their country. But because it's black people, you find the most offensive things to say to us. It's disgusting that the media keeps pushing this agenda of us as black people not being able to stand up for ourselves in our communities because we're black. And everything we must do must have money involved. Yes, we know there are people who have bad motives and bad intentions for doing something. But have you ever seen us going to Israel and getting money? Why would you run a story that you don't have proof of? Have you ever asked us for our bank statements and we said no? If you've ever asked us for bank statements and we said no, rightfully write that and say you have issues of who's giving us money. We have bank statements, guys, where people donate. If you want to see them, today I can give them to you. Don't keep making us airheads in our heads. Because now these people, you don't even understand how very detrimental to our lives this thing of aligning us with certain people is. Because you say we are aligned with Israel. What do you think the Palestinians see us as? Why do we care if Palestinians and Israelites are in South Africa? Because that's the exact problem that we're talking about.
Exactly.
What kind of African country has people from other religions fighting religious wars in that country? We are an African country.
Umbuzo obalulekile la umakoti wakwaZuma othi ushutha abantu base South Africa abakwazi ukubona into engabaphethe kahle abangayijabulele bese bethi njengabantu base South Africa lento eyenzekayo asihambisani nayo ngaleso sizathu siphikisana nalento bese bayamasha. Ushuthi abantu base South Africa abakwazi ukwenza njalo. Yingakho-ke kuvela lo daba lokuthi uma abantu base South Africa kukhona into abayisukumelayo basuke befandiwe izwe elithize. Yingoba abantu base South Africa bengahlakaniphile kangangokuba bangayibona into abangayithandi. Ngizwile ama-rumors abethi lamabhasi lawa ekuthiwa athatha abantu base Malawi ayabathatha le eDurban ababuyisela le kuthiwa kukhona indawo abadropa kuzo la eSouth Africa. Abantu bangapha ngako Orange Farm khona indawo kuthiwa kusephumla Mqashi. Abantu bangapha bakhala ukuthi lamabhasi asuka le azodropa abantu ngakhona. Ngicela uzwe la.
Yeah, commanders morning. Commanders, yeah, naba labantu lapho. Njengoba abantu base Phumla Mqashi beba complain. Yeah, naba bakhona labantu bathi bazohamba njengoba benginitshela ukuthi niphumeni nizeni la izani labantu laba akumelanga baze balale la. Asifuni baze balale today mele bahambe labantu asibafuni la. Otherwise sizoba nenkinga ye crime njengoba icrime iloku ikhuphuka so nabe baningi singayivumeli lento le baphume eDurban labantu laba. Ngicela umphakathi uphume iFlagfontein iPhumla Mqashi Hospital Hills Lenasia South Lehigh Fine Town ngicela ukuthi niphumeni sizeni la eDepot la ngase Phumla Mqashi. Ngicela niphumeni ma commander so that siyenze sure ukuthi labantu laba bazohamba today. Asifuni anyone azalale la. Asifuni la mabhasi aloku adampa abantu la. Izolo ngiye ngatshelwa ukuthi lapha eFlakfontein bokunama truck andlulayo aphethe ukudla ngayithatha light. Ngasibuza ukuthi hayi maybe lama truck lawa maybe baphuma eSoweto, maybe bavala ama shop aseSoweto manje bawaletha ngala kula ma shop lawa wama Pakistan, but it seems like this food was coming here. So ngiyacela mphakathi ngicela niphumeni in numbers. Otherwise sizoba nenkinga la, sizothwala inkinga la.
Kwenzeka nalo bhuti lo is funded by Israel. Ngoba phela vele abantu abasuka abalwela into eyithize la eSouth Africa basuke befunded. Kodwa ke uminister we-Constitutional Development, uminister uMamoloko Kupai, bambuzile ngalokho wathi yena cha akakwazi confirmileni ukuthi amabhasi uma esuka la esuka lapha eThekwini ahamba njalo futhi aba nezimoto eziba escortayo. I-Eyewitness News ilikhavile futhi lona lolu daba ukuthi amabhasi asukela eThekwini anyuka eza la eLenasia Lens ngapha ngase Orange Farm le ndawo engapha njengoba uzwa nje lo bhuti ebiza indawo ezehlukahlukeneyo ukuthi abantu bako Flakfontein abaso lebo lehaye Lenasia abaphume bonke ngobuningi bawo bazama ukulwa nalesimo. Akagcinanga ke ngokuphendula umbuzo lo uJacinta. Ukhona omunye owabuza ukuthi wathi izinto azihambi kahle azihambi ngokohlelo labo njengoba bona behlele ukuthi bazoba ne peaceful protest, yena wayesephendula kanje.
Complaining about this for years. And you're asking what happens if things go wrong. And I'm listening, I've been listening to the language all this time. Everyone, are you going to take responsibility? Are you going to take responsibility? Can I ask, whose responsibility is it to protect the country? Is it us? It's definitely not our responsibility. You can't place that on us. If the government is going to be spending 600 million, then they must work for it. Yeah. They must show us that they can be able to protect the country. We can't be crying every day over our borders being porous and them failing to protect us as the citizens. And when we decide we want to stand up against them, suddenly everyone has a voice about how we must take responsibility. Who takes responsibility for all those children who are out on the streets smoking drugs? Who takes responsibility for all those things coming in our borders? Who takes responsibility for all the human trafficking that's happening in this country? If anyone wants to point a finger at someone who must take responsibility, start with those who allowed illegal immigration in the first place. Those are the ones who must take responsibility for anything that happens on the 30th. Don't point the finger on us. We've done our due diligence. We've put our head on the block here. And everyone in the world is looking at us, calling us hateful things, swearing at us, and the government is acting as if this issue of illegal immigration is our problem. It's not our problem that there's illegal immigrants in the country. We didn't invite anyone. We certainly didn't want to feel unsafe in our own country. We certainly never envisioned there'd be a time where in our hospitals we don't have spaces and children in schools don't have spaces. So if there's anyone that must shoulder any blame for the 30th, it's the government. But on our part, we are saying for what we can take and what we can do to ensure that no violence ensures, we'll do that. But we can't go over and above. We don't have 100 million rand here. Maybe if you gave us 600 million rand, you'll see the difference. So maybe give us that 600 million and we'll show you how to take care of a country.
Ngonyaka ophelile kwamasho dokotela base South Africa laba abahlela abangasebenzi qualified doctors. UDr Aaron Motsoaledi wakhuluma nabezindaba wakubeka ngokucacileyo ukuthi uyasiza isikhalo sodokotela futhi hayi ukuthi odokotela laba abadingeki. Ngoba kukhona ukuthi kuthiwe ayibaningi kakhulu abantu kwakhona la afuna abangene khona kugcwele. Kukhona indawo zasemakhaya lapho udokotela afika kanye ngeviki. Khona indawo ezingenabo odokotela njengoba mina nawe sikhuluma. Ofuneka afike lo muntu oyadlulisele kwesinye isibhedlela esinodokotela. Kodwa bakhona odoctor abaqualified. Impendulo yakhe yabalulu wathi uhulumeni akanamali. Kodwa same hulumeni wona lo hulumeni unawo 600 million azospenda ngosuku olulodwa. Kuya ngokuthi yini ebalekile. Impilo zabantu base South Africa efuneka isindiswe azibalekile kuye. Ingakho kunje. ngempela uma ugovernment wethu ezokwazi ukuspenda 600 million ngosuku olulodwa nje, lo lesingazi nokuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngalo, kodwa akanayo imali yokuthi ahlenge impilo zabantu. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Yonke lento yenzeka ngoba kusuke kwathinta izithandwa zabo laba abasemagunyeni. Mawuthinta labantu abangama illegal immigrants usuke uthinta izithandwa zabo. Ngakho ke bangenza noma yini ukubavikela. Siphila kwi-South Africa enjalo. Kodwa konke lokhu kwenziwa kuyoxazululwa yithi bantu base-South Africa. Xathu lokuqala lithathwe uJacinta ukuthi basukume bame ngeenyawo. Siyeza nesikhathi sokuvota, abangaka-register bangene online. Mona smartphone nje unedatha uqedile uzokwazi ukuregister, uregistele ukuvota ngomhla ka-4. Masingakhiphi i-ANC emandleni ngoba yibona abadale yonke lenkinga ekhona. Sinenkinga engaka nje yadalwa i-ANC. Kukithi ke. Yazi mayithi ingoma kulele kuwe iqinisile kukithi. Uma futhi siyijabulela into enziwa i-ANC sohlala singavoti. Uma siyijabulela. Angiyibambeke le video. Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lolu daba nje silixoxayo. Kodwa ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyazalwa ngoLwesihlanu ngomhla ka-26. Ngiyacela nje ningiphi imali. Ngiyazicelela nje ningiphi imali. Ngoba ngiyazalwa ngomhla ka-26 kuJune.